Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutella fudge without chocolate. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 cup of Nutella, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Also, prepare an 8 by 8-inch baking pan lined with parchment paper for easy removal later. This simple recipe yields about 16 servings of rich, creamy fudge. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir this mixture continuously with a heat-safe spatula. Keep stirring until the butter is completely melted and fully incorporated, creating a smooth, uniform base for your fudge. This step takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your butter and condensed milk are perfectly smooth, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add the 1 cup of Nutella to the warm mixture. Stir vigorously until the Nutella is completely melted and evenly blended, creating a rich, uniform color. Work quickly, as the fudge will begin to set. Pour the warm mixture into your parchment-lined 8 by 8-inch pan, spreading it evenly. After pouring, let your fudge cool on the counter for about 30 minutes. Then, transfer the pan to the refrigerator. Chill the fudge for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it is completely firm. Once firm, use the parchment paper to lift the fudge out of the pan. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 16 to 25 1-inch squares. Enjoy your homemade, delicious Nutella fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.